Hello and welcome back to my channel, your spot for quick and delicious recipe. If you're new here, karibu sana, and let's make sauteed potatoes bursting with lots of flavor. This dish is perfect for breakfast idea or even side dish. Let's make it. So first we'll peel and wash your potatoes, then you're going to thinly slice them as shown. After that, start by boiling your sliced potato in salted water for around 4 to 5 minutes. You want them parboiled, slightly tender, but not fully cooked. Now drain excess water and set them aside to cool down. Remember not to overboil or they will get mushy when frying. Heat 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium-high heat in a pan. Then add the drained potatoes and saute on medium-high heat until they turn golden brown and crispy. You can turn occasionally for even browning. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Now create space at the middle and then you're going to add your onions and cook until translucent. Follow it with fresh garlic and you're going to mix everything together. At this point, it is time to season. You're going to add paprika, seasoning cube, black pepper, and salt. Feel free to add extra spices that you love. After that, toss it together so that the potatoes are well coated. And now your sauteed potatoes are ready. Sprinkle your fresh garlic and serve as a hot snack or breakfast side. And that is how you make the easiest sauteed potatoes at home. If you love these recipes, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.